Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here we have y prime equals to root over of x plus y. Okay, and we have y of 0.4 equals to 0.41. So we need to determine the y of 0.8. Okay, now we can say that f of x comma y will be root over of x plus y, and here x naught would be 0.4 and y naught would be 0.41, and we also have here h equals to 0.2. So fourth order Runge Kutta method basically mentions that k1 equals to h into f of x naught comma y naught. Okay, so we would have 0.2 into root over of 0.4 plus 0.41. So we would get 0.18. Then K2 would be h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus minus of k1 by 2. Okay, so if we just put these values here, we would get h into or 0.2 into f of 0.5 comma 0.5. So if we put these values in the f of, or let me put this one into root over of 0.5 plus 0.5. So finally we would have this value of k2 equals to k2 as 0.201. Okay, then we would have to find the value of k3 as well. So k3 would be h into x naught f of x naught plus k h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Okay, and so that would be a minus, that will be just simply k1 by 2. So similarly from the above way, we would have that value as 0.2201. Okay, now k4 would be h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. So that would be 0.2201. Okay, so here and here the values change a little bit. That would be basically 0.2, that would be 0.201. So since this is a fourth order Runge Kutta method, so we'll find up to k4 and we'll just put these values here. So our y1 would be y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus k4. So if we just put the values, we would have our y 0.6103. So y1 is nothing but y of 0.6, right? So that is 0.6103. So we have x1 equals to 0.6 and y1 equals to 0.6103. So again we would follow that same Runge Kutta method using the same equations. We would again have k1 equals to 0.22, k2 would be 0.2384, 2384. K3 would be 0.2391, 2391, and K4 would be 0.2569. Okay, so again we would have our y2. Y2 would be y1 plus 1 by 6 into again K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus K4. And if we put these values here, we would have our value of y2 as 0.849. Okay, so y2 is nothing but y of 0.8, and that is what we will have to find, need to find. So we have got the value of y of 0.8 as 0.849. Okay, all right.